I am in West Virginia. We've been staying here a few days, and along this hillside we are close to North Mountain, which is elevation close to 4,000 feet above sea level. But all throughout this region you see a lot of rocks and layers, and I came a little closer to examine, and you can see clear evidence of a lot of fossils, many mollusks, particularly bivalves, and they're all throughout this region, all throughout this area. This layer goes all the way up for at least 500 feet or more, and I imagine it's the same thing throughout this whole area. And there are just many fossils. Again, most are mollusk, but that brings us to a question, of course. Here in West Virginia and along these Appalachian Mountains, why are there so many fossils? And the two leading theories, of course, are evolution and biblical creation. And what I see here with the amount of fossils that you find at this elevation is some sort of catastrophe. Must have been a catastrophe. There are shells in these rocks, and some are packed on top of each other very tightly, and it's throughout. To me, the evolutionary explanation is just not sufficient. To me, this just screams and cries out that there was a biblical flood, and that flood covered the entire earth. And this is just one of the remains. This is just some of the evidence that you see worldwide, throughout the world. But this is a wonderful discovery here, as I've kind of stumbled upon this. But all glory to God.